Guys, today is August 30, 2023. Wednesday, happy Wednesday. So, I just got my hammer, little hammer, and some nails. And so, this is the one from the attic and stuff from the house over there, and been through from the window. But anyway, we're gonna change this house color and stuff. Anyway, so this is a board. Anyway, so I wanna try to build something, but I don't know if I can do it. But I never build any, like, I before I plan those those branches from the tree, but I never have time to to get the branches and work in it. But I never. So this one is the board that we're gonna throw away in the dump, but we'll see if I can make into something. I'm not sure. My dad, my uncle, my cousin, they're carpenter, but I never play with a hammer, like like build stuff. When I'm little, I'm busy playing with my friends and stuff. When you're a kid, like I never play with like pounding nails or anything like that. But it's a little bit cold today, guys. It's sunny, but it's the wind are colder. This is the coldest one I felt, but it's still sunny. So um, we're gonna change the house color, different color, not yellow anymore. But anyway, so this is the. We'll see what I can up. There's like a, see that, like a stick and stuff, and then there's like a, what is this? Oh, guys, I thought this is a pipe. That's just like a thing that they put stuff in it. They just storage container. What is this? Oh yeah, that's just a cardboard thing. And but I don't wanna cut or whatever. So I don't know. We'll see what I can come up. Okay, guys. I don't know. Okay, see you later.